guys, I'm Mindy Guidry with JP & Associates, and I'm here at an open house at 1508 Briar Meadow in Keller. And with me is Thomas. Thomas is with Homeowners Insurance, and I'm here to kind of ask some questions so that my clients will be educated on what to look for when they are getting their homeowners insurance policy. So, when my clients are looking for insurances, what are some key things that they need to look at?
Quality is definitely the primary thing that you should look for in a homeowner's policy, whether you're buying a house for the first time or buying it, if it's your 7th or 8th house that you're buying. Quality should definitely be the primary concern because that can go a long way towards determining not only the cost, but then what it costs you to be able to fix something when something bad happens to your house.
So does age in the house make a difference?
Age does, because sometimes as things get older, the quality may suffer, but that doesn't mean that they're cheaper to maintain. Anybody that's owned a house can tell you that an older home with more to maintain. Policy to repair, an insurance policy to repair, definitely would take account into a house. That being said, a lot will go more into the quality and style of the house, regardless of the age.
Okay, so this house, for example, we're looking at 3,000 square foot house. It was built in 1997. It's a great location here in Keller. It looks like the homeowners are currently doing their maintenance preventatives. How do you determine how much homeowners insurance is going to cost?
There's a lot that goes into it, and honestly, whenever I walked into the house and whenever I was checking it out online, I was surprised to find out that it was a 97 because it is in really good condition, it's very well taken care of, and it just looks like a house that's not 22 years old at this point, 23 years old. So there's a lot that goes into it as far as what the cost would be, and a lot of that is quality driven because we'll look at the history of the house, but we'll also look at what needs to be covered and the way it needs to be covered. This is a really nice house. It's got really nice things, and you want to make sure that it's covered in a really nice way.
So you mentioned history. So can you give me some examples of what you mean by history?
Definitely for what we're considering claim history. If there's a claim history on the house, sellers definitely would put that on the seller's disclosure. Buyers would definitely want to know before getting into a house kind of what's been the claim history, and make sure those things have been taken care of and repaired the right way. Also highly encourage an inspection. That will go a long way towards also validating any claim history that we have. And if there's not been a claim history, that's fantastic, Also, some people pay for roofs out of their pocket to be able to update the roof, and roofs are a fantastic way to get extra value in a home, both from the selling standpoint and the insurance standpoint.
You mentioned claims. Are there any particular claims that make it harder for homes to be insured?
Fire.
Okay.
if your house has previously caught fire.
Yeah.
But so you said difficult, which is a good word. Makes it difficult, not impossible. Okay. Nothing is impossible when it comes to that. It's just if you want to make sure that it's been maintained and things like that. But we don't see too many of those where things have had either major fires or major water damage or something like that, and then immediately try to get sold. Those are things that homeowners typically will try to fix and maintain and repair, and then let there be some time before they try to sell it.
Is foundation repairs, does that typically have an increase in coverage?
Foundation repairs are a little bit of a different quirk because the raising and settling are typical normal things that happen in Texas, so that's not really a big concern. Where you would be concerned from an insurance standpoint is if the foundation itself has caused problems in the past, specifically regarding water, because the pipes pipes get twisted, they get bent, they get out of line just a little bit, that could cause a problem. But for most things, if that foundation is solid and fine, and if it's an established house like this house is settled, you know, so hopefully there's not anything major going on with it, and it doesn't show any signs to me, at least. But then again, get a home inspection and make sure that that's been done.
Great. Well, hey, I appreciate you for answering some other questions that I had. Hopefully this is information that you can use, so when you're looking for your home, you'll be able to find the perfect fit with the best homeowners insurance policy. Thank you, and thanks for watching.